Welcome to Stock Market Explained. What if I told you one company now makes more profit per dollar than Nvidia and Meta combined? And it's not a tech giant you'd expect. It's a memory chip maker. Meet Micron Technology. They make memory chips, the tiny parts inside every phone, laptop, and AI server that store and move information super fast. You've probably never heard of them, but they just changed everything. Back in 2022 and 2023, memory chips were everywhere. Every factory was pumping them out. But nobody needed that many. Phones and laptops stopped selling after the pandemic. So prices crashed, and Micron's revenue collapsed to just $9.3 billion. Here's the thing. Imagine you sell lemonade, but every kid on your street sells it too. Cups drop to 10 cents. You barely break even. That was Micron. Too many chips, not enough buyers. Margins fell to just 39 cents kept per dollar sold. Brutal. Then, AI exploded. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google started building massive AI servers. And those servers are hungry for memory chips. Suddenly, everyone needed chips fast. But most factories had already slowed down. Supply was tight. And that changed everything. Remember that lemonade stand? Now there's a huge party across town, and you have almost all the lemonade left. Micron's revenue exploded to $41.46 billion. That's 4 times bigger in 1 year, and margins rocketed to 84.9%. The memory crisis? Officially over. For 2 years, memory chips were everywhere and cheap. Nobody was making real money. Then AI exploded, and suddenly everyone needed chips fast. But most suppliers had already quit. Micron was still standing, and everything changed overnight. Here's the thing. 1 year ago, Micron made $9.3 billion. This year, $41 billion. That's more than 4 times the money in just 12 months. Imagine your lemonade stand going from 10 cents a cup to $1. Same cups, way less competition. But wait, the really shocking number is this. Micron now keeps nearly 85 cents of profit from every dollar of chips it sells. That's a gross margin of 84.9%. Higher than Nvidia, higher than Meta. Micron, the boring memory chip company, just out-profited them both. And it didn't stop at Micron. Their South Korean rival SK Hynix jumped 12% the same day and announced plans to raise $29 billion on the Nasdaq. The whole memory industry just got its confidence back. Investors are pouring money in from every direction. Now think about this. Every AI chatbot you've used, every image generator, every smart assistant, runs on memory chips like Micron's. When chips are cheap and plentiful, AI gets built faster. When they're scarce, everything slows down and costs more. This recovery keeps AI moving forward for all of us. The lesson? When a boring industry goes from too much supply to not enough, profits explode. That's exactly when fortunes are made. Follow @StockMarketExplained so you never miss a moment like this.